tip of Norway to southern France, the Nazis lined steep cliffs with machine guns and artillery. We have a steep mountain to climb, and we started in a very deep valley. Effort, no matter what the critics say or how steep the odds. And last season, that attitude paid off. For our nation draws strength from our differences. And when our union is strong, no hill is too steep. No horizon is beyond our reach. After the fighting season, in conjunction with all our allies, we will continue to look at how do we effectuate this transition in a way that doesn't result in a steep cliff at the end of 2014, but rather is a gradual pace that accommodates the developing capacities of the Afghan national security forces. And we have faced our share of struggles and setbacks and climbs that have seemed too steep, just like we do today. It sat at the bottom of a steep valley, surrounded by mountains. Terrain that a later investigation said gave ideal cover for insurgents to attack. Then it's time to move, so exposing himself again to enemy fire will help carry Kenneth the length of more than 2 football fields, down steep terraces, to that helicopter. It was a pretty steep climb for a young man who grew up in Mexico playing the violin for tourists, charging 50 cents a song. He broke off from formation, took a steep, sharp, descending turn back toward the valley, this time with no aerial or artillery support. A lone helicopter heading back in.